stock is a dirty word at SEMA. Even if you're the recently unmasked, 600 horsepower, 2018 BMW M5. So BMW Group Designworks prepared the M5 for Las Vegas with the help of BMW Individual and a slew of all new M performance parts that will go on sale next year, either as factory options at launch in the spring or aftermarket components later in the year. The all-carbon aero kit includes the ambiguous front attachment and side sill attachments, 2 options in rear spoiler, and rear diffuser. M logos adorn bits like new kidney grills and carbon fiber mirror caps, while red springs on the M performance coilover suspension and the titanium muffler with carbon tailpipes need no help grabbing attention. Carbon ceramic brakes join the options list, but special, motorsport-derived pads won't be coming to the US. Interior tidbits run from an M performance steering wheel to floor mats and a key wallet. Fittingly, for a vehicle revealed in a video game, the M Performance Drive Analyzer can display and record the M5's on-track vehicle data. Those with better virtual bank balances than actual cash reserves can buy Need for Speed, Payback and purchase M Performance parts for the in-game M5. Elsewhere in the BMW booth, an M3 30 Years American Edition goes red, white, and blue in honor of the M3's arrival in the US in 1987. More specifically, the M3 competition package goes frozen red to metallic outside, and Mugello red, opal white, and fjord blue inside. Speaking of competition, those M Performance golden wheels hark back to the E30 M3 DTM Racer. The one-of-a-kind sedan is expected to sell at the end of SEMA, for something likely higher than the MSRP of $128,635 plus $995 for destination. Interested parties should register interest at the BMW booth, and shouldn't be surprised by the addition of a price premium.